Hi, I'm Imrol from Camel Tech, where we build smart, scalable systems for modern businesses. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an AI chatbot that I built completely inside n8n. Most chatbots rely on expensive hosted platforms or external integrations, but this one is fully custom built from scratch using n8n workflows, the OpenAI API, a Supabase vector store, and a Postgres memory system. This allows the chatbot to hold natural conversations, remember context, and pull accurate answers directly from your knowledge base. This chatbot can also handle more advanced tasks. It can extract leads, store them in any CRM or Google Sheet, forward messages, send emails, or even create tasks in ClickUp. The best thing is that you don't need any external interface or complicated hosting setup. The whole system runs through n8n webhook, which means you can embed it straight into your website using a simple HTML or WordPress snippet. To your users, it feels just like a live chat widget. Let me show you how it works behind the scenes.
This is the main workflow that powers the chatbot, and here is the workflow that manages the knowledge base. I keep a document with all the core information about the website, and that document is uploaded into the Supabase vector store. Whenever someone asks a question, the bot pulls the related information from there. You can update this document anytime you want. With a scheduled trigger, the system automatically checks for new information and uploads it to the database, so the chatbot always stays up to date. I've also set up a system message where you can define the bot's tone and personality. You can customize the prompts however you like, whether you want it to sound friendly, casual, or more formal. The entire behavior of the chatbot can be adjusted from this section. When you open the live chat link, you'll see exactly how users interact with it. You can embed this link inside your website, and the interface will automatically adjust to match the layout. Once it loads, you can start chatting with it just like any other live support bot. For example, if you say hi, it responds immediately. If you ask about Camel Tech, it pulls the exact information from the knowledge base and explains what the company does. It even follows up by asking if you're interested in anything specific. You can continue asking deeper questions, and the bot will give detailed, accurate answers based on the document you uploaded. And if you say you want a quote, the chatbot switches into lead collection mode. It asks for your email address, confirms the details, asks for your name, and then asks for your company. Once all the details are collected, it stores everything neatly and asks whether the team can follow up. It can also help with scheduling meetings. If you say you'd like to schedule a meeting, it asks for your preferred days and times. You can give it something simple like tomorrow at 3 p.m., and the system will automatically create a calendar event. It even generates a Google Calendar link so you can open it instantly. The lead capture sheet updates automatically with your name, email, company name, interest, and source. Beyond answering questions and booking meetings, you can extend the workflow to notify your team. For example, you can add a Slack node, ClickUp node, or CRM node. Whenever a new lead comes in or a meeting is booked, it can send an instant notification to your sales team so they stay on top of every conversation happening on your website.
This is how the n8n chatbot works. It's smart, easy to manage, and far less expensive than relying on a heavy hosted chatbot platform. If you're already using n8n, you can simply integrate this into your system, or you can run it on an n8n self-hosted server, which is even more affordable. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and if you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more automations and AI agent breakdowns like this. And if you would like us to build AI chatbot for your business, visit our website and send us a message. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. And thank you for watching.